Simple yet powerful technique to manifest your desires. The technique is called the ladder technique. The ladder technique is a simple yet powerful exercise designed to demonstrate the effectiveness of visualization and to help individuals develop their ability to manifest their desires. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing at the bottom of a ladder. Visualize the ladder in as much detail as possible. See its rungs, its material, and its surroundings. Engage your senses in the visualization. Feel the texture of the ladder rungs beneath your hands as you grasp them. Hear the sound of your footsteps as you climb the ladder. Smell the air around you. Make the experience as vivid and real as possible. Begin to mentally climb the ladder rung by rung. As you ascend, feel the sensation of progress and accomplishment. Imagine yourself becoming more and more confident with each step you take. Climb back down when you reach the top. Repeat this in your imagination. When you reach back down, climb back up. Once you feel like your imagination is so real, you can stop. Now, write on a paper, I will not climb the ladder. Be sure you will see every morning what you wrote, that I will not climb the ladder. You must do this and mean in your heart that you will not climb the ladder. Repeat the climbing the ladder exercise in your imagination for 3 nights. Right before you sleep every day, fall asleep doing this exercise, climb the ladder. When you wake up, you will see what you wrote, that I will not climb the ladder. In the conclusion, if you successfully impressed your subconscious mind after this exercise, you will manifest in your reality climbing a ladder. You can do this exercise with anything you ever wish. If you wish to have $10 million, visualize every night counting money, fall asleep visualizing. Visualize yourself living the life you desire with the money you want to manifest. Imagine the feelings associated with having that money and how it would change your circumstances. Write on a paper, I will not make $10 million. See it every morning. Every night, visualize having $10 million. In the morning, see what you wrote, that I will not make $10 million. If you successfully impressed your subconscious mind, you will see an increase of your income through multiple ways from multiple sources. The ladder technique, also called the ladder experiment. What you imagine and impress on your subconscious mind is more powerful than what you tell yourself consciously. And you can use the same powerful imagination to manifest any desire. By using the negation, not you detached from your wish, and like this, there will be no tension on your wish to manifest. You will be detached. You will let go your wish. When you detach, it manifests.